4 exponent x plus 4 exponent x all over 4 equals 10. So we are going to have 4 exponent x plus 4 exponent x equals 4 times 10. Okay, so we are going to factorize. We have 4 exponent x multiplying 1 plus 1 equals 4 times. Now 10 is the same as 2 times 5. So we are going to have 4 exponent x times 2 equals 4 times 2 times 5. Now we divide here by 2, here by 2. So our equation becomes 4 exponent x equals 4 times 5. Alright, so you're going to have 4 exponent x equals 4 is the same as 4 exponent 1. Okay, alright, now let's apply. Alright, so we can write 4 as 2 exponent 2. Okay. Okay, times 5. Alright, so we are going to apply the power of a power rule here. So a exponent m multiplying c equals a exponent mc. So you're going to have 2 exponent 2x equals 2 exponent 2 times 5. So we're going to have 2 exponent 2x equals 2 exponent 2 times 5. And let's divide here by 2 exponent 2, here by 2 exponent 2. Okay, so this and this will cancel. So we're going to have 2 exponent 2x over 2 exponent 2 equals 5. Alright, now let's apply the quotient rule here. So a exponent m over a exponent c should give us a exponent m minus c. So our equation becomes 2 exponent 2x minus 2 equals 5. Now here we're going to apply logarithm. So we say log 2 exponent 2x minus 2 equals log 5. Now let's apply the logarithm definition. So log a exponent n base b equals n log a base b. So our equation becomes 2x minus 2 times log 2 equals log 5. So we're going to have, okay, you're going to divide here by log 2 and then here by log 2. So now we are left with 2x minus 2 equals log 5 over log 2. Now let's apply the change of base formula here. So log a over log b equals log a base b. So our equation becomes 2x equals 2x minus 2 equals log 5 base 2. Okay, so our equation becomes 2x equals log 5 base 2 plus 2. So we're going to have 2x equals log 5 base 2 plus 2. Now you want to make x the subject of the equation. So we divide here by 2 and here by 2. And then we have x equals log 5 base 2 plus 2, okay, all over 2.